everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to explore this beautiful home, which is brand new. They finished it about a couple weeks ago, and at the same time the location, in my opinion, is pretty good because it is in Cedar Creek. This is between Austin and Bastrop, and this area is growing. There are so many projects coming to this area because it used to be more like a rural area with a lot of farm and ranches and cows and horses, but now it's becoming more urban. So there are new subdivisions popping up here and there. There are new businesses coming and they are getting developed. At the same time, there are companies coming to the area as well, like Starlink and the Boring. Even Tesla is maybe 20 minutes without traffic from this area, so I think it's pretty good. The location is fantastic. The lots are pretty good because here you can decide, well, this house is finished and it has half an acre, but there are other lots that are bigger, and you can choose the lot to build the house over there. But let's explore this one. While we are exploring and touring, I'm going to give you all the details. If you have any question, let me know. My friends, so let's start exploring this beautiful home. And as you can see, there is a good distance between your house and the neighbor's house. Here we have a 3-car garage, which there is an update because this floor plan comes only with 2-car garage, so that is a plus. Here on the side of the home we can see the septic and how the backyard look. This is a half-acre lot, so that's why we can see all of these green areas all around and a bunch of trees all around the home that you will see it. So let's walk here and let me know here in the comments what you think about the entrance, because I am in love with all of the trees and the nature that is around the house. Let me know if you also like this, and if you are getting in love with this house as I am just from the outside. I'd like to tell you Empire Builder is giving you an incentive of 5.5 interest rate for this home, and it's only for this month. We are posting this video in June of 2024, so keep that in mind. The interest rate and this incentive will change. Let's keep me posted if you would like any information about this home, because this builder is doing it all around Austin. Now let's go inside the house, and as you see, there are a bunch of details with rock and the tall door, which give it a really elegant entrance. And as we enter the house, we encounter this hallway with the bedrooms on the right. And I would like to also show you how the ceiling look, because it has this upgrade as well. As soon as we open the door and we are here in the hall, we're going to see, well, I like to show you this because here I am right next to the wall, and if I extend my hand I cannot even touch the other wall, so I need to walk here maybe two, 3 steps to touch this wall, so that way you have an idea of how wide it is. And at the same time, it's not that long because now is where the living room and the other bedroom start here, so it's very convenient. And let's explore the rest of the house. Okay, so let's enter and let's see how big or how small are these bedrooms. Okay, so let's get first with the right bedroom right here. If you would like the exactly measurements, we can ask builder, and in my opinion a full bed or a queen bed could fit here. And as you also see, the tall doors that are all around the house, that is a plus. It really feels very cozy and elegant. And as you will see, every single window in this house has the view for these trees and nature and the green around the house. I really love that, and please let me know if you also like that, because it's so good to have the nature in your windows. And well, right next to the bedroom here we have the vanity and the closet, which this area is connected to the shower, shower and the toilet, because this is connected with the other bedroom. So as we walk here, we walk a little bit backwards, we're going to find the second vanity and closet of the second bedroom. And let me know what you think about this one, because well, the area it feels almost like the same space, but this one have a little bit different because the window is right between the vanity and the closet. Now let's go back here and to the hall and let's explore the areas. But before we're going straight, let's come here to the left because there are more things to explore. So, well, here we find the mud, and this room that is here is very flexible. It could be your storage room. This house might have an upgrade if you would like to build it again. I mean, it's the way it is, it's just the way it is, but if you would like to change it later to add maybe an office or do something in your house, you can do it. It's an extra space. And here we have, well, the laundry room, which is right behind the closet. So maybe later, if you are the people that like to connect the closet with the laundry room, then you can do it. In the garage, as I said in the beginning, this has an upgrade since now it has 3-car garage. Used to be 2-car garage, the regular 4 plan. And I love the way that they have the sprinkle system and this sensor that it helps, because if it is raining, then the sprinkles will turn off and that way you don't have to waste the water, and which is fantastic. And also let's talk about these connections here. So here from the garage, I would like to show you this, which is going to help you to connect the water system or the water filter system, so that way you can take care of your plumbing system here in the house, because the water in Austin and all around here is very heavy in minerals, and if you don't do that, then your plumbing system around the house, it can get damaged faster. And so for you to avoid that and take care of your home, having water system there is going to help you a bunch, really a lot. Okay, and as we come back, I'd like to tell you that the HOA fee is around $350 per year, and the tax rate is about 1.540 on, depending on the valorization and the city is going to do for your house, but that is the tax rate. Now here, let's explore the 3rd bedroom, which it feels almost as the same size. And like I said, look at all those windows have this view, and my opinion is fantastic. Let's explore the closet, which is very similar in size as the other 2 bedrooms. So this is great because sometimes there are houses that have like 3 good bedrooms and a very tiny one, but this one, it feels almost at the same size. So it's really good. It's really a plus. Here we have the full bedroom right in the middle of the highway, which is fantastic because if you have guests or family coming to your house, they can also use them and you can share it, so that way they don't have to go inside your bedroom to go to the bathroom. And this is great. Now finally, let's come here and let's explore the dining and living room, because I don't know, but you gotta let me know here down below, but I really love the ceiling of this house and the beams that are decorating the ceiling. And there are so many people, and I include myself too, that love the high ceilings, and this house can give you that. And let me know what you think about the chimney. In my opinion, I love having this, especially because, right now this is a brand new home and usually doesn't happen for these houses, but very old houses close to downtown in Austin, sometimes when it's very cold in around February or January, sometimes get out of light, and they really use the chimney so that way they keep warm in the house. But like I said, these have happened close to downtown. Since this is a new house, usually doesn't happen, but maybe a plan B. And let me know what you think about this dining area, because it looks very spacious. You can easily fit a table with 60 chairs here. So let's explore here now the kitchen area, because there are a good amount of cabinets, and I love that because sometimes we have so many things to put in the kitchen. And at the same time, let's explore the pantry. Sometimes they are small, they are big. Let's see how it is. Okay, now here in the pantry, let's check that it's not just a little rectangle. It is actually a walk-in pantry that you can, walk inside and put your stuff. I mean, it's very comfortable, more cozy. And the island, what I love is like you can easily put 4 stools in here, or maybe 3, depending on how big you want them. The range is electric, as we can see here, and this where the oven and microwave are is an upgrade also from this house. The amount of cabinets that are in this kitchen is really fascinating because we always need a space in the kitchen. But let me know here down below if you like a kitchen like this, or maybe you like it small. I love the way that it's connected with the dining room and living room, so when you have friends and family coming, you can enjoy all together, especially the holidays and the Christmas. Then you can have all of them coming here. Now let's see how the main room is, and I really love the bay area where all of these windows are and the view, because this is another upgrade that this house have, and the regular floor plan doesn't come with that. And in the master bathroom, we're going to see some different details, and the closet, which is important to have extra closets in the house, especially here in the Austin area, since we don't have basements. So it's really good. Believe me, I moved from Denver to Austin and I was missing my basement so bad, but since I find all of these different closets in the house, it really helps a lot. Well, here in the bathroom, we're going to see also this design where we have a shower instead of the bathtub with the shower. This design that you are seeing here with the vanities right and left to the bathtub is a new trending style that is here in the Austin area. But let me know what you guys think, because I don't know what is happening, for example, in Chicago or New York or Minneapolis. I don't know the other cities, what are the trending for the style of the houses. So let me know if you like this. Well guys, let me know here down below in the comments if you like this primary bedroom, and if you like the windows like this. In my opinion, I love it because there are so much trees around. It feels like inside the nature. It feels like kind of inside the forest. But let me know here down below in the comments if you also like these kind of views when when you're sleeping and you open your eyes. What is the first thing that you're going to see, right? So having a lovely home is very important. Like it's the place where you are growing, you're making memories. You only have this life, guys, so you gotta make it worth it. You gotta make it the best way possible, so that way the day that God called you and they say, hey, this is the last day, then you say, thanks God, I lived the life that I really wanted to live, where I really wanted to be. So that is good. It's always good to do what you love, and hopefully you love something like this. And if not, let me know what you like. Now that we finished exploring these spaces, let's check the back side, because as I told you, this house is sitting on a half an acre lot, that's why we have all of these trees and green spaces all around. And there are so many windows here that the most fantastic thing here is that you don't have neighbors in the back. There is only trees, and this space is also fantastic. If you are bringing your family, well, maybe sometimes we want to do these barbecues and invite our friends, and sometimes we have family or the kids or the neighbors that want to come and enjoy the food together. Hopefully you do it in any season, but sometimes summer gets so hot, but the other seasons it really feels so awesome during the year. Sometimes when the other cities are so cold, here is like 70s, 60s. I don't know, it's super enjoyable. So it's great to have this space where you can enjoy. And also, if sometimes people like to having the space in the back because the pets or the kids, or just to enjoy the backyard. Thank you so much to exploring here the house with me. And if you have any question about this home, or maybe any other home here in the Double Eagle Ranch subdivision, well, let me know, because here I love that you have the option to choose the lot, maybe the size of the lot. There are different lots, like half an acre, 1 acre, 2 acres, 5 acres. So depending on how much land would you like, they can build the home here for you in this community. And if you have any question about that, what are the floor plans that Empire Builder has, well, let me know, and I can happily give you the information. And also, if you also would like to know more about opportunities to invest in this area, in Austin, in Bastrop, north of San Antonio, east of Houston. If you would like to invest in real estate, well, let me know, because there are opportunities for you to invest either commercial or residential. And I'm also open to partnerships. There are people looking for an opportunity to develop, to build something. They're looking for land. I would love to partner up with you. I'm also looking for land. If you're selling land, let me know as well. But I love partnerships. I love developing. I love doing investments in real estate. Also doing fix and flips, or strategies that depend on the lifestyle that you would like to accomplish. We can talk and we can see which strategy in real estate is good for you and good for the goals that you would like to accomplish in your life. So if you have any question, let me know. My phone is 720-292-9541, and my email is helentatianagibson@gmail.com. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.